take the hang road this over the mountain. The plan today is to go to Double Haven, planning to do about 40 nautical miles. It is just before 8 a.m. in the morning and we're departing from Middle Island, which is a vessel of choice, XR 33-foot Choily Clipper. Forecast is looking okay. We don't want too much wind and especially not too much waves when we're going outside of Tai Long Wan. Let's see how we get on. We'll do a stop at the golf course in Clearwater Bay to get fuel and then on we go. And then clap. Thank you. Someone's core keys. Gotta put them where they can find them, which is here. Oop. Can I have 2 bags of ice, please? Yeah, just put them here. Thank you so much, Patrick. Please. Have a nice weekend. Got ice, got stuff. Let's get going. Prepped below. Here a few days ago. Get everything ready. Instruments. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Welcome to Freedom.
Yeah.
Thank you, Sifu. So we have we can fit about 40 more liters of fuel now, and I think we will use another 10 liters on the way to the golf course. Seacock open, put the oil, overfilled oil. Okay. Cooling water, that's a good sign. Forward thrust. We are ready to cast off. Off we go. What time do we have?
7:66.
Nice.
Okay, everything that board is charged.
So the plan is steam for 2 hours. Get to Clearwater Bay. We fill some fuel there. Continue up past Cyclone outside of Tai Long Wan. Hopefully this holds up, so it's not too big out there. Yeah, we should be there in the afternoon. And I told Ellen that we'll get on the Wi-Fi in the restaurant around 5-6 p.m. the latest, and just send a message to them. Binoculars on board. The boys are going fishing.
Okay guys, we need to...
Let's talk about it on Tuesday. Cool, I think we need to tack and head for that one. I think, yeah, let's tack and see how high we can go. Waglan Island and Sam A Island. We're underway and we're between Cape Dag here. You got Beaufort, you have Old Hoy, Tom Nung Chau over there. No one is steering the boat except Otto. San Kong, Waglan Island, 9 pins, and we're headed to Clearwater Bay. Now we're starting to feel really good. The sea state is okay, the wind is just fine. We'll be motoring most of the day just to get the past Tai Long Wan, and then after that we'll see. We just sail the last bit, I think. We'll just go look at it, see if we can read if there's a name of a vessel or anything like that. We have a life jacket in the water. We have a boat on the starboard side if we need. This is not something you see every day, so let's go have a someone's life jacket.
Try to pick it.
It's quite rolly when we come to a halt, but we can't pick this thing up. I'll try to get it on the port side. Put it on the bow for now. What do you think?
No, nothing on it. Nothing on it. It just fell overboard probably.
We have got some fuel, we didn't spill anything. Get the engine started and keep going. Nice. Let's see how we have the rudder. Straighten it out. Yeah, I think you can throw that one. Yeah, just get on and then we'll go. Off we go. Sails back up. We're looking for the police station, confirming that it is bluff ahead and that's on to the right. We just are out racing in cycle. Kind of sunny. Right, so we're out here. State of things. I mean, it's not like there's nothing. The forecast is that the swell is going to be 1.2 meter at an interval of 8 seconds, 8 to 9 seconds. Finless porpoise, I think. I'll go as close as I can and then just stay away. Can you see what it is? Yeah, that's a dolphin or finless porpoise.
Probably.
No, that was a fish. That was a fish.
Big fish.
Wow.
Taking off on Monday.
Light number 178. And we can see China in the distance with the sun shining on the ships going into Yantian outside Tai Long Wan. Port Island. So it's 1 p.m. We're in a good place. We're outside of Top Moon and we're gonna have a little bit of lunch. Adventure sandwich. Specialty.
Cheers.
Oh, that changes everything.
It's just on the sail.
Got some competition here. They're going slightly faster than us. I don't like it. Well, it looks like the sail trim is not ideal. Who is trimming the sails on this thing? You can't find good crew these days. What do you say, Captain? Well, it doesn't matter. It's still quite nice, no matter how this is going. There's Port Island. And we are going. It's Daydream. We'll see them in Double Haven, I'm sure. Well, it may appear like we're being overtaken, but it's not true. We're deliberately slowing down just to let them pass. Better view of Tom Pen Chow up there. Got the Genoa nicely stowed away up here. Tied it on so that I can reach the anchor. We're gonna have a look at this life jacket a little bit closer when we get there. But it seems like it has no markings. Doesn't seem to have a vessel name on it. No visible tags. Anyways, we'll take a super close look when we get there. Oh, here it says something. This is actually something that is handwritten and is from a Chinese vessel. Capita. Makes me happy. Daydream is out as well. But it looks pretty good in there. Got the flag out. We got full on sunshine. So our captain is now gonna guide us through this narrow path and he's looking confident. I'm feeling confident. With a big smile on and look at this beautiful beach up there. Entering the narrow path into Double Haven.
Someone standing there.
That is a person standing there.
How did they get there?
And this guy fishing. Is it? Yeah. Funny thing, last time I went here, the sun started shining just when I came out of this. I'm one of those people who always sneeze when the sun is shining in my eyes. And little XR took us there again. Thank you, XR. I'm gonna take a picture of this character, this Chinese character, and send to the girls. Ask what it says, and that's all we know about this. There is a serial number from the manufacturer. Here, I guess. That's it. Gotta go have a look at the chart. And we're going in there. It's as beautiful as always. And in the distance we got China and we're going in here. Sam A Wan. Lots of hikers here. Hook is down and we're setting the anchor. We're doing 1600 RPM and we are not moving. Okay, hook is set. Back into neutral. We'll let the engine cool down. Axel is putting away the mainsail. I'm gonna put a snubber line on in a minute. Current status, we're in Sam A Wan. We have anchored. We have put a snubber line on the anchor chain. Washed the deck a little bit because it was quite dirty. We inflated the dinghy. We got a swim ladder out. The beds are made down here. Arrival there. And then we will have a nap and then we'll go for dinner. They didn't stop and check where the wind comes from. That's a much better spot to anchor. I think, yeah, just... Thank you, Axel. I put an anchor light from Decathlon so that we can find the boat later. And I put a Swedish flag up.
Huh? Yeah, nice.
I didn't have a German one.
Yes.
We should get one.
What's the name of the Swedish queen? Beatrice?
Axel looks bloody good from here, to be honest. Gut, Axel gut, Axel gut, alles gut. Hello sailors. Hi. $2. To film when it's this delicious, but yeah, we went through the... I think we're pretty done here. Okay, yeah, so that was a fair... It's somewhere between Wes Anderson and Blair Witch Project. Look at this guy. He's on his side. What is he doing? Pom 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 pom. Well, so, yeah, here we go. Whoa! Merry Christmas!
What happened? Listen,